everyone, so I've been asking you guys what kind of videos you guys want to see from me, and a ton of you guys requested like more colorful looks. I also got a lot of skincare. I will do a skincare once I have like my skin figured out. For this look, I honestly didn't know what I was gonna do. I really just winged it, and I actually like the way that it came out. I've had the Sigma Warm Neutrals 2 palette sitting around, and I really wanted to use it, so this was the look that I came up with. I felt like this would have been a really good holiday look. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, let's get started with the tutorial. So the first color I'm taking is Toasty, and I'm using my Zoeva 221 blending brush, and I've been obsessed with this brush. It is perfect for my eye shape and it blends color out really well. But I'm applying that as my crease color, my transition color. I wasn't really sure. I didn't know what the final outcome was gonna be, but at this point I decided that I wanted to do like a halo cut crease kind of look. So I'm blending the color all the way, like, you know, towards the inner corner of my eyes and just making sure that it's in my crease. And then just to deepen it a little bit more, I'm going in with the color Rogue, and I'm focusing that more towards the lid. Like, I don't want to bring the color up too high because I don't want it to be that deep, if that makes sense. And then I'm cutting the crease or cleaning it up, however you want to call it. I'm just using concealer, my MAC Pro Longwear concealer, and my Dose of Colors concealer brush. This brush is really good for doing this kind of look because it's really flat and thin, so I don't know, it just does the perfect job. And then I'm taking my Sigma angled blending brush, and I'm just taking off any excess concealer so that it doesn't crease up later. And then I'm going back in with the color Rogue, and I'm applying that to like the outer and the inner corner. If you're wondering why I'm adding this color even though I kind of just erased it, it's because since I added Rogue on top of Toasty, it didn't have the same color payoff, and so I wanted Toasty to be the crease color and I wanted just a little bit of depth. That's why I added Rogue, and then I wanted Rogue's full color to show, so that's why I added it on top of the concealer. So it's pretty much like a blank canvas for the bright red color, so that there's just more dimension, if that makes sense. And I don't know, I guess it's a step that you don't have to do, but it's just kind of what I felt like doing, and like I said, I was just kind of winging this. So for the middle color, I went with Fool's Gold, and this is like a really pretty greenish goldish color, and it has a ton of fallout, which is normal for an eyeshadow like this, so I just decided to use my finger. And then I'm doing just a light liner on my, like, just on my lids and my lash line so that it can help hide my lash band. Then I'm just gonna apply some mascara, and this is the Sigma Sinuosity Mascara. This is one of my favorites, even though I'm not a fan of mascara. And then I'm gonna pop on some lashes. These are my favorites, which are the Superficial Flawless Lashes. I always curl my lashes after I apply fake lashes so that it can blend my real lashes with the fake lashes. Now I'm just adding eyeliner, and I'm using this dark brown liner by Makeup Forever, and I'm tight lining and also adding it to my waterline and a little bit on my bottom lash line as well, because we will be smudging that out. Now taking the color Russet on a Smashbox smudging brush, I'm just smudging that all over my bottom lash line on top of the brown, and I love like the dark brownish purplish tint that this color has. And then with a Sigma pencil brush, I'm taking the color called Beaming and applying it to the inner corners of my eyes. To bronze up my face and slightly contour my face, I'm using the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess, and this is the shade number 1. I'm using the Buildable Cheek Brush by Smashbox to apply this, and I just love the way that this brush lightly dusts color all over my face. Now for highlighter, I'm taking my Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter in the color Rose Gold, and I'm using an Anastasia highlighting brush. I'm using this as like my base highlighter, and I'm applying it to my cheekbones and a little bit on my forehead. Just to intensify it a little bit more, I'm taking this gold color from my Sleek highlighting palette and applying it just to the highest part of my cheekbones and a little bit on my forehead. And then for my blush, I'm using Sigma's Corte Rosa Oro Powder and a Smashbox blush brush. Now lastly for lips, I'm taking the Smashbox lipstick, and it's a beautiful peachy color, It's very sheer and I don't remember the name, but I will leave it down in the info box. And then to top it all off, I'm taking this lip gloss by Sigma called Tint, and I love this lip combo. I think that they go so well together, and I'm so happy that I randomly chose the right colors. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope that you found this helpful. Feel free to leave me any requests down below, and thank you all so much for watching. Bye!